Introducing the unique multi-sharp 2-in-1 drill bit and tool sharpener. Now you can sharpen your drill bits and tools so they work the way they should. Simply fix the locating foot to your workbench. The sharpener attaches to your drill in seconds. And away you go. The precision guide sets the angle for accurate sharpening over the grinding wheels for the sharpest edge every time. HSS twist drill bits on the aluminium oxide wheel. Masonry bits on the silicon carbide wheel. Even complex wood bits. And also screwdrivers, cold chisels, and a whole range of small tools. Sharp drills and tools when you need them with Multi-Sharp, the sharpening specialists. Introducing the Multi-Sharp whetstone blade and tool sharpener, the unique water-cooled sharpening system at a DIY price. Professionals know the only way to get a strong razor-sharp edge is with a cooled system. Before Multi-Sharp, these were both large and expensive. Now you can afford a complete water-cooled system to professionally sharpen chisels, plane blades, knives, scissors, including left-handed scissors, and hobby tools quickly and easily. The whetstone fixes securely to your workbench and attaches to any drill in seconds. Simply fill with water and away you go. The unique cooling system acts like a turbine, recirculating the water to keep both the tool and grinding wheel really cool. Use one of the precision angle guides to put that edge back on plane blades, knives, scissors, and don't discard that old chisel. Water cooling really makes a difference. Strong, sharp edges with no loss of temper. Finish off by honing with a leather strop to give a razor-sharp edge. As good as new. Keep all your tools, knives and scissors in perfect shape and save money. The Multi-Sharp whetstone with water-cooled grinding wheel comes complete with precision guides and full instructions. Spare grinding wheels are available. The unique whetstone blade and tool sharpener, one of a range of sharpeners from Multi-Sharp, the sharpening specialists.